The Incredible Machine is a series of computer games that were originally designed and coded by Kevin Ryan and produced by Jeff Tunnell, the now-defunct Jeff Tunnell Productions, and published by Dynamix. The 1993 through 1995 versions had the same development team, but the later 2000-2001 titles had different designers. All versions were published by Sierra Entertainment. The entire series and intellectual property were acquired by Jeff Tunnell-founded PushButton Labs in October 2009. In 2013, Jeff Tunnell announced a new game, called Contraption Maker, that would be the spiritual successor to the Incredible Machine series. Contraption Maker was produced by Spotkin Games, a company founded by Jeff Tunnell, and featured the same developers of the original Incredible Machine. It was released through Steam for Windows and OS X on July 7, 2014. Gameplay: the general goal of the games is to create a series of Rube Goldberg devices, arrange a given collection of objects in a needlessly complex fashion so as to perform some simple task. Available objects ranged from simple ropes and pulleys to electrical generators, bowling balls, and even cats and mice to humans, most of which had specific interactions with or reactions to other objects. The levels usually have some fixed objects that cannot be moved by the player, and so the only way to solve the puzzle is carefully arrange the given objects around the fixed items. There is also a free-form option that allows the user to play with all the objects with no set goal or to also build their own puzzles with goals for other players to attempt to solve. Notably, the games simulated not only the physical interactions between objects, but also ambient effects like varying air pressure and gravity. The engine does not use a random number generator in its simulation of physics, assuring that the results for any given machine are reproducible. There are also hints. Versions: the series featured the following versions: The Incredible Machine, The Even More Incredible Machine, Sid and Al's Incredible Toons, The Incredible Toon Machine, The Incredible Machine 2, The Incredible Machine 3, Return of the Incredible Machine, Contraptions, The Incredible Machine, Even More Contraptions, The Incredible Machine. The developers of the series have been criticized by fans for recycling content, specifically all the games after The Incredible Machine 2, rather than creating new additions to the games. With the addition of The Incredible Machine for iPad/iPhone, the game includes new art, sounds, and levels. The Incredible Machine The Incredible Machine, the first game in the series, was originally going to be developed by Electronic Arts for the Commodore 64 in 1984, but Dynamix worked on Arctic Fox for the Amiga instead and work did not start on The Incredible Machine until the spring of 1993. Kevin Ryan programmed The Incredible Machine in 9 months, on a $36,000 budget. The Even More Incredible Machine was actually an extended version of the original The Incredible Machine and had around 160 levels, about twice the number of levels in the original game, and also had quite a few more parts. Computer Gaming World in 1993 praised The Incredible Machine, stating that while the 80 puzzles are a blast, the free-form mode was the game's best feature. The curious, tinkering 10-year-old is reawakened, given a digital toy box and set loose in the backyard of his or her mind. The magazine concluded that the game was one of the most innovative and deceptively addicting products to pass this way in quite a while. A well-oiled imagination machine with a very broad appeal. In 1993, Dragon gave the game 4 out of 5 stars. The Incredible Machine was nominated for an award at the 1993 Game Developers Conference. Electronic Gaming Monthly gave the 3D version a 7.25 out of 10, saying that its controls are too slow due to the lack of mouse support, but that it is nonetheless better than the PC version due to the dramatically improved graphics and sound. The Incredible Machine 2 The Incredible Machine 2 introduced new levels, an extended assortment of parts, a new interface, significantly improved graphics, sounds, and music, and 2-player hot seat play. It also improved on the free-form mode, allowing players to create completely playable puzzles by defining not only the participating parts, but also the set of circumstances under which the puzzle will be considered solved. In terms of gameplay, this version provided the biggest addition to the series, while subsequent updates were basically only ports of the game to newer operating systems with updated graphics, sounds and sometimes new puzzles, but no new parts. The Incredible Machine 3 The Incredible Machine 3, on some releases titled Professor Tim's Incredible Machines, contained the same levels as The Incredible Machine 2, but with an improved interface. As a Windows-only title, it added extra features as well, like CD music tracks. Return of the Incredible Machine, Contraptions Return of the Incredible Machine, Contraptions was released in 2000. As a full 32-bit Windows 95 game, it had new 800x600 resolution graphics. Although it had a few new levels, the majority of them were levels from The Incredible Machine 2. The Incredible Machine, Even More Contraptions Even More Contraptions started a service allowing players to share their homemade puzzles using a service called OneSwap. Even More Contraptions also came with a Palm Pilot version of the game that contained its own unique set of parts and puzzles suited for a small screen. Incredible Toons Sid and Al's Incredible Toons and the Incredible Toon Machine are not an official part of the series, but are essentially a cartoon version of the same concept, created by Chris Cole. The Incredible Machine The Incredible Machine for iPad iPhone is the first version in the series to be developed and released by Disney for the App Store. This revamped version contains new art, sounds, and levels, as well as a redesigned user interface to make it easy to use on touch screens. Disney announced and released The Incredible Machine on June 8, 2011 at E3 in Los Angeles, CA. This version lacks the demo mode that the previous versions included. Both iPads and iPhones are supported and free play mode is reportedly on the way. The app has been retired from the App Store as a decision made by Disney. Reception Critical reception IGN described Return of the Incredible Machine, Contraptions as a vintage blend of educational and entertainment software at their finest. Awards The Incredible Machine was the winner of several prizes due to its innovative style and simulation abilities. It was innovative enough that Sid and Al's Incredible Toons earned Jeff Tunnell and Chris Cole a patent for the game concepts. The Incredible Machine for iPad iPhone also won Best iPhone iPad Game and was nominated for Best Puzzle Game at E3 by IGN. Availability The Incredible Machine, Even More Contraptions was included in the 2005 edition of Hoyle Puzzle Games as a bonus game. A mobile phone version was developed by Mobile Interactions Group and published by Vivendi Games Mobile in 2006. The original game was announced for a download release on Xbox Live Arcade, but it was later cancelled. The Incredible Machine Mega Pack was published by Playdom and released on GOG.com on October 1, 2009. A new iPad iPhone version was released in the Apple App Store on June 8, 2011. Contraption Maker On May 13, 2013, Tunnell announced work was started on a new game, called Contraption Maker, which is billed as a spiritual successor to the Incredible Machine series. Kevin Ryan and Brian Hahn, the other two developers on the original game, as well would be working on Contraption Maker, along with other developers at Spotkin, a video game development company started by Tunnell. Contraption Maker features improved HD graphics, and has a robust physics engine. The game features 140 official puzzles, and over 100 different parts. It also has Steam Workshop support, so users can create and share their own puzzles. The game was first released on Steam through its early access program on August 28, 2013. Throughout its time in the program, Contraption Maker had 6 alpha releases, adding features such as multiplayer and copy and paste, new parts, and new puzzles, followed by a beta release in May 2014. On July 7, 2014, a final release was made, and Contraption Maker left the Steam Early Access program. See also, similar video games, Algodo, a powerful 2D physics sandbox developed from Fun, Amazing Alex, a game from Angry Birds developer Revio, Armadillo Run, a similar game which focuses on physics, Bill's Tomato Game, a similar game by Psygnosis which predates The Incredible Machine. Bubble Ghost, a 2D physics sandbox involving manipulating a floating ghost to interact with its environment. Butterfly Effect, the open-source 2D physics puzzle game, including level creator, chain reaction, same creators, same idea, but in 3D, crayon physics, same concept, but with drawn parts, Crazy Machines and its sequel, Crazy Machines 2, Create, another game completely based around creating levels in which items would be triggered one after the other in a Rube Goldberg method. Fantastic Contraption, similar concept with fewer tools, Garry's Mod, 3D physics sandbox that uses Valve's Source engine. Little Big Planet, a 2D platform game, which uses physics to create game platforms and puzzles. The game also comes with a complex level editor, where the creator can make their own levels. Mechanic Master, for the Nintendo DS, fun, a powerful 2D physics sandbox, Sid and Al's Incredible Toons, a similar game with cartoon cat and mouse characters. Widget Workshop, World of Goo, 2D physics game about structures out of goo. Concept, W. Heath Robinson, Robert Storm Peterson, Rube Goldberg. Other, COG a Euro television commercial for the Honda Accord, This Too Shall Pass a Euro RGM version a Euro music video by the group OK Go featuring a large-scale Rube Goldberg machine. References. External links, The Incredible Machine series at Moby Games, The Incredible Machine at starro.info.